Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 6-inch buffing pads is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone serious about auto detailing or surface finishing. These pads are incredibly versatile, perfect for everything from polishing paint on your car to achieving a flawless, high-gloss finish. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of 6-inch buffing pads, exploring their uses, and helping you choose the perfect ones for your detailing arsenal. Number 5. SPTA 6.5-inch Buffing Sponge Pads. This kit includes 5 different colored sponge pads, each designed for a specific task. They are great for removing sun damage, scratches, and headlight wear. Each pad ensures a perfect finish. The pads feature a unique design with different sizes on each side to protect surfaces. This design also reduces abrasion and increases compatibility with various compounds. This design helps achieve ideal polishing results. Made from prime quality, bendable, washable, and reusable sponge material. These pads are designed for all types of coat paints. The pads lock in the polishing compound and have excellent heat dissipation. The pads are made with soft and fine workmanship that won't damage surfaces. They are lightweight and easy to assemble. The pads are durable and can be washed and reused. These pads can be used with various electric buffers and polishers. The hook and loop backing makes it easy to change the sponge. It is suggested to wash and dry them naturally after use. What we like. This kit offers a variety of pads, each designed for a specific task, from heavy cutting to waxing. The unique size design protects your car's surface while polishing. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for all your car detailing needs, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want professional results at home. What people say. The variety in the kit allows me to cut, polish, and finish with just one set. They fit perfectly on my 6-inch backing plate, and the 6.5-inch diameter provides great coverage, allowing me to work quickly and efficiently. The pack includes 5 different pads, each designed for different stages of polishing, from heavy cutting to light finishing. Number 4. Chemical Guys Hex-Logic Orange Cutting Pad. This is a professional-grade pad designed for optimal performance. It's built to deliver exceptional results, making your detailing tasks easier and more efficient. The pad features a universal fit, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of machines. This versatility makes it a convenient choice for various detailing needs. The Hex-Logic laser cut surface enhances the pad's cutting ability. This innovative design allows it to remove imperfections quickly and effectively. With this pad, you can achieve faster and easier results. It's engineered to streamline the detailing process, saving you time and effort. The pad is perfectly centered for balanced operation. This design ensures smooth and consistent performance, enhancing the overall detailing experience. The ring is flexible and bendable, making it easy to use. Plus, it's designed for easy washing and reuse, offering long-term value. What we like. The Hex-Logic design ensures faster and more accurate results. Its flexible design makes it easy to use and clean. If you value efficiency and precision in your polishing work, this pad is a great option. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced detailers. What people say. These are great pads. I just did a full paint correction on a 13-year-old car and these worked so well. The pads help up great and they are cleaned and on deck for the next detail. I just polished the whole of my new 2025 Camry, including the glass, using this Chemical Guys, BUFX_103 HEX6 BUFX_103 HEX6, green Hex-Logic heavy polishing pad with DIY Details Gold Standard polish. Number 3. Chemical Guys BUFX_105 HEX6 polishing pad. This is the Chemical Guys BUFX_105 HEX6 polishing pad. It's designed to distribute product evenly. This helps achieve a better finish on your vehicle. The pad ensures even product distribution. This feature helps to reduce friction and prevent marring. It keeps the surface lubricated. The pad's surface stays lubricated. This design helps to reduce friction and prevent marring. It ensures a smooth polishing experience. It provides 100% coverage on flat, rounded, or angled surfaces. This feature makes it versatile for various parts of your car. You can use it on different areas. Manufactured from high-quality foam, this pad is built to last. It's designed for long-lasting durability. You can rely on it for multiple uses. Use it with polishes, glazes, and surface cleaners. This pad is suitable for a variety of detailing tasks. It's a great addition to your detailing kit. What we like. This pad is designed to distribute product evenly, resulting in a superior finish. The high-quality foam ensures it lasts longer. If you want a pad that delivers a flawless finish and is built to last, consider this one. It's ideal for those who want a professional-grade shine. What people say. Used in conjunction with chemical dyes C4 and P4 with their pad lube and the car paint is like glass. The pads help up great and they are cleaned and on deck for the next detail. The result was to remove light swirls and scratches and round off the deeper scratches so they aren't as visible. Number 2. Chemical Dyes BUFX_104HEX4 Hex-Logic Polishing Pad. This pad is designed for pre-wax cleaners and finishing polishes. It's a universal fit, making it compatible with various machines. The pad polishes paint effectively without harming the clear coat or single-stage paints. It ensures a smooth finish while protecting the surface. This pad quickly adapts to different contours, whether flat or rounded. It provides consistent results on various shapes and surfaces. This 4-inch pad is perfect for detailed work. It allows for precise application and control during the polishing process. Each pack includes one pad, ready for use. It's a great addition to your detailing kit for achieving professional results. What we like. This pad is perfect for pre-wax cleaners and finishing polishes, ensuring a smooth surface. It conforms to contours, making it versatile for different car shapes. If you're looking for a pad to prepare your car for waxing and polishing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for achieving a showroom shine. What people say. Used in conjunction with chemical dyes C4 and P4 with their pad lube and the car paint is like glass. The pads help up great and they are cleaned and on deck for the next detail. The result was to remove light swirls and scratches and round off the deeper scratches so they aren't as visible. Number 1. Autolock 6 Buffing Polishing Pads Kit. These pads are made of high-quality sponge and wool. They are bendable, washable, and reusable. You can use them for waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze to improve the surface's lightness. These pads are compatible with various electric buffers, such as dual-action polishers and rotary polishers. The hook and loop backing makes it easy to change the sponge. After use, wash them with clean water and let them dry naturally. The pads have a unique design with different sizes on each side to protect the surface from scratches. This design reduces abrasion for the pad, plate, and surface. It's also compatible with most compound types. These pads are made with soft and fine workmanship that won't damage the surface. They are lightweight and easy to assemble. The durable open-cell foam improves airflow, and they can last for multiple car polishes. This kit includes 6 different pads for various tasks. They are great for removing sun abuse, scratches, and headlight wear. You can use them to bring your car back to its shiny best. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This kit includes both sponge and woolen pads for comprehensive detailing. The unique size design protects your car's surface while polishing. If you are looking for a versatile kit that includes both sponge and woolen pads, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a complete detailing solution. What people say. Within 10 minutes, you could not even tell where the previous boo-boos were. They worked well and I am pleased with the quality. I like the selection in terms of quality for a decent price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.